Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can delete your Aliexpress account. It's pretty simple. You just need to know that once you delete your Aliexpress account, all of your information will be deleted along with it as well. So if you're okay with that, follow the step. First, you want to click on account after opening Aliexpress app and click on your username at the top left of your screen. My username is 1-2step, so I will click on that. Yours going to be different, so click on it. From over here, you want to click on the edit button right beside your username. Once you click on edit, at the bottom you can see the option called delete account. Click on delete account and it's going to take you to account deleting page. It's going to show you all the thing that is going to happen once you delete your account. If you want to read it, you can do that, but I don't want to, so I will just click and delete my account. And it's saying processing. Then it's going to send you a 6-digit code on your email. So go check your email and enter the 6-digit code which is sent to your mail. After you type the code, click on verify. And if the code you entered over here is correct, your Aliexpress account will be deleted. It's that simple to delete the Aliexpress account. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel 1-step. I'll see you guys next time.